Music. Music brings people together. Music is a language. Music is a way to communicate with others. Music is something I believe is a very powerful tool to change the world. Hello everybody, my name is Jose here with Vmusic, and in today's video I will go over 5 benefits of playing a musical instrument. There's a ton of research and studies that prove students who take music lessons have higher academic performance. Learning how to play a musical instrument stimulates the brain and improves functions and reasoning skills. These skills are essential for subjects like math, science, and so many others that you find at school. So if you're a musician, you will do a lot better in school and have higher academic performance. Now, when I was a little kid growing up, I didn't consider myself being creative or imaginative, but as soon as I started playing piano, as soon as I started playing the guitar, that's where all the creativity kicked in. When I first started playing piano and I just started playing random notes to the rhythms of the songs that I was trying to learn, that's where creativity came in. That's where I was improvising, and that's where I started imagining on how can this song be played like this, or how can I do this so that these rhythms sound better. It's all about creativity, and as a musician, if I was just playing 2 different notes to one song, that's being creative. If I was playing 10 notes, 15 notes, that's being creative. Now, playing a musical instrument not only helps you as a person developing skills to be creative and all of these things that we are talking about, but it helps you communicate with others. It helps you be self-expressive. You meet so many other musicians and you meet so many other great people in the industry. You get to play in bands, for example. You get to meet the drummer, you get to meet the guitarist, the bass player, the vocalist, and you build relationships. So all of that comes into play also. You have leadership skills, team building skills, learning how to listen to others. You have to learn how to communicate. And music is a way for you to express to others and communicate. Now, we all know that learning how to play an instrument is not something you can master overnight. It takes a lot of time, a lot of days, hours, years of practice to become the musician that you want to be. However, taking the time to practice and to really learn, it has so many rewards at the end, and it really teaches you how to be disciplined. It teaches you how to be patient, and it teaches you so many other skills. Now, after all of those long hours of practicing and learning the song and hearing the song, and you're ready to finally perform in front of your family and friends, that is where you really see the light. That's where it feels amazing, right? That's where you get to show off everything that you've learned, all those hours of practice. So playing a musical instrument builds that self-confidence in you, and it boosts your self-esteem. It gives you a sense of self-achievement, making you feel very proud of all of those hours of work. Feel free to check out our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and our website, Vmusic Online, for more videos, tutorials, and lessons.